The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Highland County, northwestern Pike County, northern Adams County until 4:45 p.m. At 3:50 p.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Danville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, penny-size hail. Locations impacted include Hillsborough. In addition, State Route 136 at U.S. Route 62, New Market, Barrysville, Highland County Airport, Belfast, Mayhill, Marshall and Rocky Fork Lake are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit a report via social media when you can do so safely.